Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Manahal Niaz and I read in class 8. Today is my presentation and my presentation topic is Rutherford Atomic Model. The quiz for discovery led the British physicist J.J. Thomson to discover electron. For that he purposed an atomic model which laid the foundation for advancement of research in the atom model. Significant research work in atom was done by British physicist and chemist Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford was interested in knowing how electrons are arranged within atom. As 1911, he conducted an experiment. He bombarded the gold foil with alpha particle or helium nuclei called as alpha particle scattered experiment. In this experiment, a radioactive source of alpha particle was placed in a lead box containing a small hole. The alpha particle which hit the inside of a box was simply stopped by the box. Only those alpha particles which passed through the opening were allowed to escape, and they were confined to a straight line. They passed through a lead sheet with a small slit. They bombarded the extremely thin gold foil. The alpha particles which was scattered detect using a detector and the circular fluorescent screen, which was coated with zinc sulfide. As such, Rutherford observed that most of the alpha particle passed straight through the gold foil. From this he observed that most of space in atom is empty. Some alpha particles of small angles were deflected by the gold foil, with other positively charged region within the nucleus. The few alpha particles bounced back. This source indicated that all positive charge was small concentrate within volume within atom. Based on these observations, Rutherford put a nucleus model of an atom, which has the following features: that exist positively charged center of an atom called the nucleus, and nearly all the mass of an atom is concentrated in nucleus. Electron revolves around the nucleus in well-defined orbit. Size of the nucleus is very small as compared to the size of an atom. Important points in Rutherford Atomic Model. In 1911, Ernest Rutherford conducted an experiment called as alpha particle scattering experiment or the alpha particle experiment. Its experiment is also called gold foil experiment. The passage of alpha particle is observed for few analysis. In positively charged center of an atom is called the nucleus. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus with very high speed, just like the planets around the sun. The size of the nucleus is very small as compared to the size of atom. Thank you.